beautiful forest.
Do a video.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Oh, really?
So there.
In the video, you'll hear. You should do a video.
Yeah, right. Yeah, get down in the office.
Book it down.
Honey, don't say anything like that.
Choking, like the room with perfume or cologne.
That's his favorite shirt.
Like a lot of jewelry. I was thinking about a lot of jewelry.
Honey, come on, just show up your underarm.
My underarm is
No,
so
the
nice.
other way.
Nice.
Very nice
Very
shirt.
nice shirt. You want to see the back?
Right. Yeah.
Back?
I don't say that there is something wrong with that. I'm just saying is that I hope that you buy a new shirt.
Oh.
Right.
When this shirt dies and is gone, we will have a funeral for this shirt.
Oh, I don't say that.
Well, this shirt will last forever.
No. I will do my best to last that shirt forever.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, I love that song, honey. So, we're going to Clearwater to see Mom, Anna, and the family.
And the boot.
And the boot. Honey, pay attention on driving, my God.
Are you sure how much further? Because
I said 16 miles, right?
really, because I mean, look at all this again.
I know, but we're going to a specific. Why? How? It says here 4 miles.
4 miles, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why. It's not me.
It's okay. It's adjusting.
Beautiful, I swear. This is, I think, one of the best decisions that we made.
Going to Florida.
Moving down here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, I swear. Oh. We're so lucky we're here. Meet my new buddy. Her name's, what's her name? Poopy Pants.
Poopy Pants.
That's Amber's name.
Yep, that's true.
Miles.
3 miles?
Bless you, honey. We have to stay for 2 miles, 2.5.
Say something. Commercial free and worry free. All through your workday on Mix 100.7. You took my hand to show me how you promised me you'd be around. That's right.
Honey, do look at the view. 1.4 miles. And
Okay.
this is awesome.
Still doing video?
Yeah. Honey, can you imagine if you're driving to work back and forth every day,
yeah,
and this is the place
yeah,
that
this
you
is
will
the
see?
view.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is heaven. 0.7 mile.